In fact, about 463 million adults worldwide are living with some type of diabetes. Sadly, there has been predictions of that number rising to 700 million by the year 2045. When someone develops this illness, it means that their blood sugar levels are much higher than where they should be. Since the diagnosed person's cells do not respond as well to naturally made insulin, proper medication is the typical doctor-ordered solution to help regulate those sugars back to a healthy level. Doctor-prescribed medications is the conventional way to help with diabetes side effects and keeping symptoms under control. However, what if I told you that there is another route you can take to cure your diabetes for good? Imagine for a moment how much better your life would be if you never had to worry about your blood sugar levels ever again. The Halki Diabetes Remedy, what is it? This incredible remedy is a simple, yet powerful program that is highly recognized as being the perfect solution to cure diabetes. The creation of this was inspired by the ancient Halki Island foods that claim to be extremely helpful in body detoxification. When you follow this program, you will be removing toxins from your body and reset and repair your body from diabetic damages. The best part? There are no costly or dangerous medications involved. What's the basis of the program? As the creators of the program point out, diabetes isn't just caused by eating too many carbs, medications or genetics, it's caused by a certain environmental toxin. The toxin is a particulate called PM2.5 that is linked to insulin resistance. PM2.5 stands for particulate matter 2.5, and according to a study published in the journal Diabetes Care in 2010, diabetes prevalence increases with increasing PM2.5 concentrations. Other studies have linked pollution to a higher prevalence of diabetes in the US, as well. The authors of this Diabetes Care study state that PM2.5 may contribute to increased diabetes prevalence in the adult US population. Yet, researchers from the landmark Nurses' Health Study and the Health Professionals Follow-up Study did not find strong evidence of a link between exposure to PM and incident diabetes. Another study, published in 2015 in the journal Environmental Health Perspectives, acknowledged that pollution and diabetes may be related, but that further studies were needed. No doubt, air pollution may play a role in the incidence of diabetes, but it's just one factor. Other environmental factors likely have an impact, as well. The crux of the Halki Diabetes Remedy program is practicing a 60-second habit twice a day that's known only to inhabitants of an Aegean island called Halki. This habit apparently helps you flush out PM2.5 from the body and reverse and repair any damage. The habit is based on eating special salad dressings twice a day that don't cause spikes in your blood sugar and that contain ingredients that have been shown by studies to help those dealing with type 2 diabetes. History of the Halki Diabetes Remedy. The history of the Halki Diabetes Remedy started with Eric Whitefield and his wife, who almost died from type 2 diabetes. She was heading towards a diabetic coma with an astounding sugar level of 488. Even with doctor intervention, they could not seem to get her levels down to a healthy number. Luckily, Eric's wife survived that horrific incident. Because of us, it sparked Eric to start exploring alternative type 2 diabetes treatments. During his venture, he came across professional researcher Amanda Fearson. With her help, Eric's wife was able to naturally lower her blood sugar to 125 and reverse all of her diabetes symptoms. Soon after, she was able to ditch all her medications entirely and live her life diabetes-free. Amanda Fearson, a professional researcher with 20 years of invested time focusing on health and treating diabetes, is the mastermind of the Halki Diabetes Remedy. The entire methodology is supporting new and healthier lifestyle dieting habits and routines that can better your overall health as well as remediate diabetes. What does the plan entail? Glucose is your main source of energy and derives from the kinds of foods you eat. When it comes to developing diabetes, it involves much more than just eating too many carbs or being prone to it due to poor genetics. According to Fearson, the sole cause is from certain environmental toxins called particulate matter 2.5 (PM2.5), which is closely associated with insulin resistance. A recent 2019 study shows that PM2.5 exposure drastically increases the risk of other health concerns such as stroke, Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. The way about this natural solution is simple. All you have to do is follow the provided guide and only consume the ingredients recommended. The Halki Diabetes Remedy is an online 21-day protocol where you have to follow a diabetes curing guide. It aims to teach you how to change your lifestyle to become more healthy and natural while repairing diabetic damages. They are inexpensive and simple natural foods. For example, one of the focused foods is salad dressings. With following the dressing recipes listed, you will be proactively protecting and repairing your cells against any oxidative damages that caused from PM 2.5. What will I receive if I purchase it? Costing only $37, this program provides a selection of 8 healthy and powerful antioxidant-rich ingredients along with 42 dressing recipes created by Amanda herself. In addition, there will be great exercises and workout routines for you to implement in your daily routine to help control your blood sugar. By the end of the program cycle, you should be able to know exactly how to continue with a proper diet and lifestyle to keep your diabetes away for good. In addition to getting all of the standard program material, you will also get access to free helpful bonus materials to ensure your success. To maximize your results and to stay on track to achieving your goals, take advantage of these free aspects. For a quick reference, the additions to the program include Relaxed Mind Healthy Body Guide, Mind Map and Cheat Sheet Energy Multiplier Guide, Mind Map and Cheat Sheet Achieve Your Goals Guide, Mind Map and Cheat Sheet 10 videos for Relaxed Mind Healthy Body Guide, 10 videos for Energy Multiplier, 10 videos for Achieve Your Goals. Something else to keep in mind is that there is a 60-day money-back guarantee if this program does not reverse your diabetes symptoms. Click the link in the description below this video for more detail. Since this is a 21-day program, you are able to try it at least twice, which gives you ample amounts of time to decide if it is right for you or not. Although this program will most likely help you, it is nice to know that you can get refunded if need be. Should I try it? Diabetes is an extremely common disease worldwide, affecting people of all ages. If you are looking for a diabetic curing solution that does not involve more doctor's visits and prescriptions, then the Halki Diabetes Remedy would be the best program for you to try. It not only has positive results, it is also one of the safest programs on the market. In fact, it is one of the safest diabetic alternative solutions. The ingredients are completely natural and help you clean out your system of all those harmful toxins. You will find many testimonials from people who have tried this program who claim their diabetes has reversed within a few weeks. If you want to take control of your own body and ditch the medications, give this solution a try. Even if it does not work for you, it is still worth taking a shot at a better life. Meet the creators of the Halki Diabetes Remedy. Amanda Fearson is credited with creating this program. She is a professional researcher who has devoted 20 years of her career to finding healthier alternatives to medications for treating diabetes. Eric Whitfield, an iron worker from Owego, New York, came across Amanda after he almost lost his wife to type 2 diabetes. According to Eric, his wife was minutes away from slipping into a diabetic coma with a blood sugar of 488. The doctor apparently told him that they were trying to lower her blood sugar but the medications weren't working and he had never seen it this bad before. What Eric doesn't share is what happened to prevent his wife from slipping into a coma, severe ketoacidosis. One can only hope that her doctor followed the protocol for treating what may have been diabetic hyperosmolar syndrome by giving her IV fluids, insulin and electrolytes. The good news is that Eric's wife survived the crisis, although we don't exactly know how she was minutes away from a coma and then sent home. And this led Eric on his journey to find a treatment for type 2 diabetes and eventually connect with a researcher named Amanda Fearson. In fact, after just a few weeks of following the program that he founded, his wife reversed all of her diabetes symptoms and her blood sugar dropped from 488 to 125, no matter what she ate or drank. She was able to toss her diabetes medications, meter and test strips in the trash, too. Oh, and she suddenly lose 56 pounds of deadly belly fat. The secret? The twice daily 60-second habit that has also reversed diabetes in 33,405 people. Pros and cons of the Halki Diabetes Remedy. The Halki Diabetes Remedy website states that the Halki Diabetes Remedy will provide you with meals, recipes and exercises to help you control your blood sugar. In particular, the salad dressings that you eat on this program are made with ingredients, such as kohlrabi, broccoli sprouts and marjoram, that protect and repair cells against oxidative damage caused by PM 2.5. There is also a detox tea that is supposed to boost the power of these ingredients. You receive recipes for these salad dressings, along with a 3-week protocol to follow. The recipes only take 60 seconds to make. And best of all, you get access to this remedy for only $37, as well as bonus material on how to achieve your goals, how to increase your energy, and the mind-body connection as it relates to diabetes. And if you don't find that this program is working for you, Eric promises that you'll get your money back, as long as it's within 60 days of purchase, of course. Click the link in the description below this video for more detail. There is unlikely to be any danger of whipping up your own salad dressings. And there is some evidence to support the link between particulate matter and diabetes incidence. However, claims of reversing diabetes are disingenuous at best, mostly they're concerning and potentially dangerous. To insinuate that you'll be able to throw away your diabetes medicines and stop checking blood sugars is irresponsible. Also, without plunking down $37, which, admittedly, is not a lot of money, it's difficult to know if the nutrition protocol and recommended exercises are safe. Eric Whitfield is to be commended for doing his own research and for his efforts at helping his wife, but he is not a healthcare professional or trained scientist. Amanda Fearson is apparently a known medical researcher, but an internet search brings up her name only in reference to the Halki Diabetes Remedy. You'll find a handful of testimonials from customers who claim they've reversed their diabetes in a matter of weeks, and if there truly are 33,405 people who have reversed their diabetes, one would think that there would be more buzz about this in the scientific community. Bottom line, consider putting your $37 towards something more worthwhile to boost your health, such as a new pair of sneakers, fresh produce and whole grains at your local farmer's market, or a yoga class. Customer reviews in Amazon. Mary Wilkes. So, I have many criticisms of this book, which I will discuss below. But every failing this book has pales in comparison to my major takeaway, which is this protocol is easy to follow and it works. I am, maybe was, a self-diagnosed pre-diabetic. I have no medical training, but my research suggests that your fasting blood sugar should be below 100 mg per deciliter, and less than 140 mg per deciliter after eating. Before this diet protocol, when I eat whatever I wanted, sometimes my fasting blood sugar would be over 200 mg per deciliter. My first attempt to control my blood sugar was to eat a more low-carb diet, which helped a lot. If I stuck to a very restrictive diet, I could keep my blood sugar where it needed to be. But if I had even so much one ham sandwich, one white bread or one fast food meal, my sugars would spike and stay elevated for quite a while. I fundamentally distrust pharmaceuticals, believing that they often cure one problem only to cause one or more other problems. And I have tried herbal supplements, but the ones I tried did not work. With the Halki protocol, I still cannot eat anything I want, but I can eat a reasonable diet, some paste and white bread and the occasional fast food meal, without my blood sugar spiking. And when I do eat some sugary treat, my blood sugar still spikes, but not like it used to. The protocol calls for you to eat 2 different homemade sauces a day, as well as some other things. The sauces can be used as a dressing for salad, a dip, or a sauce for meats, rice, etc. The sauces did not taste bad, per se, but to me they were not that tasty either. I prefer to drink the sauces as a shot, and this definitely works for me. I still cannot eat a really sugary foods and keep my blood sugars in check, but when I do eat really sugary foods and follow the protocol, my blood sugars are much lower than they would be without the Halki remedy. I really like the fact that the sauces are made 100% from food items. It would be impossible to overdo the protocol. When was the last time you heard of someone ODing on peppermint or ginger? I love that everything you need to follow the protocol can be purchased at your local Safeway. I love that I have 100% control over what goes into my medicine. I am a huge fan of this remedy. I will say that the book is not well written and the formatting of the book definitely leaves something to be desired. But I could frankly gives a rat's ass about those considerations given that the protocol is easy to follow and actual works. Peace, love and hope to all who read this review. Mary. Click the link in the description below this video for more detail.